Let's try this again. These are the elevators at the 12th and Filbert Street parking garage in Center City, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. They are Schindler MT. Which one will we get? There's the time. Snow flurries a bit, as you can see. Here for the Philly Auto Show. We're starting on 9 because this is going to be me celebrating 9 years on YouTube. We got the same one. Oh no, you going down?
Yeah,
No, I'm not. Sorry. There it goes. Let's try this again. Which one will we get? Let's see if I can get both lanterns in the frame. There we go. Which one will it be? Level 9. Which one will it be? Pretty cold out. Which one will it be? Same one. I think that one must be booked. Oh good, there's no one on here. Let's go down to G. Schindler. I'm not gonna look out the window yet because these things are wicked busy right now. Go back up to 9. Going down?
Yep.
Yeah, G.
Yep. What do you mean? He's getting my cover?
He's getting the same cover that I got, or the unit I got. So, because I saw on my unit, and I took a picture of the website. I think it was like back industry stuff or whatever. So
going down?
He's getting it.
Yep, we're going down.
G.
He was looking at the one that rolls up, which we think about that one. I mean, it looks like it costs a little bit more, but it's rolling.
There's a roll inside the roll.
It rolls on top, but it's like, but it's still a hard cover, like solid and flush. It just rolls.
Go back up to 9.
Yeah.
Going up?
Yes, sir.
What floor do you want?
7, please.
What about you guys?
5.
Anyone else?
Nope.
Yeah, you get me.
Yeah.
That's fine.
You have a good day.
Thank you, Tim.
No, same to you.
Yeah.
Oh, it's 6. Sorry, guys.
No, it's no problem. People wearing this thing. Thinking of 30 months.
Have a good one.
I appreciate it.
We're 7.
Have a good one.
We're 7.
Next one up.
Oh, sorry.
This is 6.
Did they get off at 5? I think they got off at their own stuff. The bases.
Yeah, they'll be pissed when their car's going to race along.
Have a good one.
Thank you, you too.
Go back up to 9. Let's look out the window. We are going to send this one to G and try and get the other one. So I'm sure there's going to be people downstairs. Let's hope I get this one. Hopefully I'll get this one this time. Oh, I got the same one. I think this one must be broken. Oh, you going down?
Yeah, we're going down.
This is the highest floor.
I know. We was coming up. We was mainly, you ain't going down?
Oh, I'll wait. I think that one's broken. Actually, I think I'm gonna cut here to conserve my camera battery.